Lucan, my hometown. In Lucan, fresh breath in daily life. My grandma would light incense and run to temple every dawn. Her good morning to the goddess. This isn't just ritual, it's how we weave spirituality into our streets. Here, temple bells mark our hours, and shared prayers stitch generations together. Come witness how ordinary moments become scared threads binding a community. In Lucan's wooden heartbeat, Master Li carved legends from Kempwood. 70 years. Not electric tools, just Jesus whispering to Glen. Every knot has its story. He says, "Russian kills the souls within." Witness this rebellion against a disposable world, where patience becomes art, and human hands are life machines. Thank you for watching.